Hi everyone. Hello. It was so beautiful to see you all yesterday and today. Let me talk about my journey. Beautiful roller coaster. पापा ने कहा कि कभी कभार सिचुएशन को आप अपने आप बदलते हो. Indian body has to be curvy. Sari looks fabulous on curvy females. So that is what's coming. So yes, this is a little about me.
What's the trick of handling an organza saree?
This was something that everybody says is the most difficult. I said, okay, now I'm only going to wear this. So if you see the saree that I'm wearing, the bottom is malmal and the top is organza. And I don't know if you're wearing any other underskirt, D-coat is the solution for most of your problems. Try wearing a D-coat. D-coat is cotton underskirt, which is like basically the modern version of a petticoat.
There are times when I had to go to my best friend's wedding and I was just standing there with the sari. Oh my god, I've almost cried because that satin sari, it had little Swarovski, so it was already heavy. And it was slipping through my fingers.
You know what I do? I use a hairspray.
What?
No washing machine, no dry cleaning, please. Every time you dry clean your sari, आपके पास दोबारा that sari is never going to come back to you the way you give it.
Pins. How many do you recommend? Two pins.
Max 3. So I don't see the need of adding too much pins, and that's the reason I started stitching. I just feel that stitching. Now I'll tell you why. Yeah.
Yes, the current sarees which are more fashionable, not the traditional ones. Their width is not very good. And now when you're standing in front of the mirror, you're all done because you have spent time and trial on the blouse, but not on the sari. Now when you wear the sari, you realize that the length, with that heel is now not matching up. Is there anything that one can do but to pray?
You have to try the length. Okay? If you don't do, I mean the width, sorry. If you don't do that, there'll be not enough fabric to tuck in. Okay? That's one thing.
Ideal.
So it depends on your height. So like for me, all my sarees fits me really well because I'm not too tall. And I don't wear like a 6 inches heel. मैनिक्विन के ऊपर कितना ड्रेप करोगे, रियल लोगों पे ड्रेप करो, तब पता चलेगा असल स्ट्रगल. Because every female has got a different structure, different mindset, different fabric. उन पे ड्रेप करोगे तब तुमको पता चलेगा ना रियल स्ट्रगल क्या है. That is when I stepped into it. I didn't step into it to make money. So this is it. This is your.
Got you.
Correcting this. Yeah.
You all enjoyed, you all saw, you all experienced what Dolly does. Incredible that she is with it. But there's something I want to share, and that's what I said yesterday. There was a time when I requested Dolly to drape me. I was wearing a Bengali sari. Bengali sari style I wanted to wear. So Dolly, I requested her and she was kind enough to come and help me. But that day I realized it wasn't just draping. It was genuinely doing this for a friend, where you're doing this for another person. Is when I said Dolly, आज समझ में आया कहानी सिर्फ drape की नहीं. She made me feel good. So when I walked out, it showed it isn't just the D-coat. It's Dolly.
Every bride who is sitting on that chair, trust me, I always feel it's Ratika. Let's do a group picture. So much for Anita for doing this for me, because हर माँ अगर अपनी बच्ची को इस तरह से push करेगी तो I think we will together bring साड़ी back in fashion.